Hello bros, welcome back. This is me too. Today I'm gonna show you how to get the money by doing a simple tax and offer by only using your smartphone. As you know, for today there is so many applications available on Google Play Store or App Store, which is they said they're gonna pay you after you complete some offer which is they provided to you. So basically how it works is you just install the application they provided to you, and after you complete the installation you got a coin, and after you have enough a coin you can redeem it with many exciting rewards. So the problem is, because of so many applications available in Play Store, not all of them is real. I mean, many of them is fake or scam. And if you install the scam one, you're just only wasting your time. So because of that, I'm gonna show you in here today. I'm gonna show you which this application is really gonna pay you, and this is not a scam. The application we're talking about here is a Moocash. It's available on Android devices, and I already installed it for a week now, and I have around a 10,000 coin, which is mean as $10. So if you have a Moocash installed on your phone, if you have 1,000 coins, it's same like a $1. So it's really not many applications in Play Store which just give you a coin so fast. So yeah, if you install the Moocash, you don't have to worry about run out any offer, because there is so many offer in here. So you can just install the application in the Play Store and you get a coin. And in here, the interesting is you can get a coin by review some application in Play Store. Yeah, you just click the review in here and you can get, you have only give it stars review application and get your coin. And you can get a coin by making a video tutorial like me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. You get a coin also. So, and you can get a coin by playing games in here. Yeah, you can get the coin by only playing a game. If you really like playing game, and then the Moocash is very suitable for you, because of if you win the games you get a coin, and that's pretty fun, I think. So after this, I'm going to show you step by step how to earn money by how to earn a coin using a Moocash application. So we're going to change into screen recorder, because I'm going to give you a tutorial, better tutorial, so you can understand me well. Alright, here we go. As my promise, today I'm going to show you how to earn coin using Moocash application. As you can see, today there is a lot of application which is available on Google Play Store, which is they said they're gonna pay you after you complete some offer which is they provided. So without wasting any time, today I'm gonna show you step by step how to earn coin using Moocash application. So if you don't install Moocash before, I recommend you to just install it from your Google Play Store. So right now we're gonna open Google Play Store. Tap open, and after you open your Google Play Store, you just search Moocash and tap search. Here it is the result. So you just click open Moocash, earn cash, and make money here. So if you don't install before, you just click install right here, because I already installed, so I just click open. Here it is the main pages of the Moocash application. If you look closely on the top of your screen, right here is your current coin. I only spent this application for 2 days, and I already have for around 3,600 coin, which is so fast. I only spent 2 days and I have around 3,600 coin. So done, you can see it install to earn. In here you can get a coin by install filling application on Google Play Store. So if you install this live.me application, you get around 189 coin. If you install how money transfer, you can get around 136 coin, and that's pretty cool. Down below you can get a coin by review some application on Google Play Store. If you click open review right here, you can see in here there is so many offer in here, so you choose review this application so you can get your coin. And there is so many offer right here, so you don't have to worry about running out any offer because of so many offer right here. This is review application. You can get a coin by making video tutorial on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Also, you can get a coin by sometimes you can coin by like Facebook pages over like that, and you can get a coin. That's pretty cool. And you can get a coin by from partners. Yeah, if you complete offers from partners, you can get a coin also. Here I gonna click AdSense Media, so you can get a coin by complete offer from third partner. This you can get 1,900 coin by complete this offer from partner, and that's pretty lot of offer in here. And that's pretty cool, I think. Okay, if you have already enough coin, you can redeem it many exciting reward. Here in Moocash, you can redeem with so many reward in here. You can redeem with PayPal cash in here. You can redeem with Skrill or Bitcoin on Pioneer, and also you can redeem with Google Play gift card, which is pretty amazing. So if you open PayPal right here, you just only need 300 coin and you can get a $3. So if you have 10,000 coin, you can get a $10, and that's pretty cool. If you redeem with Google Play gift card right here, you just only need 11,000 coin and you can get a $10 Google Play gift card. That's pretty cool. So if you install Moocash application, I recommend you to just input this code SUXSUG, and you don't have to install from 0 coin. So if you input this code, you can get extra coin from me. It's around 500 or 1,000 coin. It's random, so I recommend you to just input this code SUXSUG from me and you can get extra coin from me. So yeah, why not? Come on guys, just install this application and you can get extra cash from this application. And this application is not scam. This application is really gonna pay you, and that's pretty awesome. You can get your money fast because there is so many offer in here, so you don't have to worry about running out any offer because there's so many offer in here. So yeah, you just input this code and you can get extra coin from me. It's about 500 or up to 1,000 coin. It's random, so I recommend you to just input this code SUXSUG from your Play Store, from your Moocash application, and you can get extra coin from me. So okay guys, that's all. If you like my video, please subscribe or like in my YouTube channel so I can make another video about application that really gonna pay you. So every day. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye bye.